Summary reflection on SF Handbook by Satanae Manibus of Satanic Front. On the subject of symbolism, we may say that we can objectify the term nightcrawler in our lives, that are an embodiment of what others identify with only in ritual and studies. We have or will become the dark devotion that operates to have an effect in the world in ways that goes beyond name and the pleasures and learning that can very well come easier with practice, combined with what most will deem the secular world. Without them knowing exactly why things seem different in a place, we go to where we need to or want to go to manifest our built up and maintained abilities with the presencing of dark worship. There is truth behind the mentioned demonarchies, and it will have influence regardless of if it is consciously served. We are not to be weak on any level and are to be flexible enough to react to the unexpected. The Puranas of India spoke of actions beyond the results, but we are not abstaining from the fruits of our deeds either. We live in the real world and partake of the pleasure and power that we take part in. In order to maintain indulgence, some may need to be discreet and consider possible consequences. More important than that is the influences of what needs not, but incarnates its will through us. One doesn't have to go home if one doesn't go big, but that is the goal that is constantly worked for, and that will have a greater effect. Our consciousnesses are a defiant analogy to what the Upanishads speak of. Valleys, sakas, branches are a parvan, joint of Vedas, spiritual knowledge. We must learn from the examples of the sinister ones who came before us, as the dark chain is connected to, by us, and identified with us. So we slither away to have experiences that are considered forbidden. And one of the writings, I'm not sure if it's in the Satanic Front Handbook or if it was on the website, was the talk about how they mentioned the group was going to be known as SF. So I guess in public communications about the group.